Alright, well, we got the majority of it painted. Ceiling painted. Looking a lot better. Tomorrow we're gonna fill in the cracks. Paint another coat, probably another coat on the ceiling. But it's coming along. It's looking brighter and cleaner and smells better. Alright, so we're painting the creases and doing a little bit of touch-ups. But it's coming along. We're starting on the ceiling in here. Night and day, look at that. It's just crazy. But basically we're making it look a little bit better until we can get in here and actually fix up everything and redo the ceilings. And we're shining a turd temporarily until, you know, winter goes through and we can fix it up better, you know. But do what you can, do what you can. We only have we have a couple weeks, I feel like, left to until we have to move in here. So yeah.
Well,
Hi.
oh shit! Wash the
Fall
hole
through the hole. So far, we've been working on this wall today. Painted the entire ceiling.
Well, Billy did the ceiling. And most of the paint.
Here's all of our lumber for the bedroom. Every bit of it, sheetrock and plywood.
Not all the.
Well, we'll have extra.
Probably just like this much.
We are done pressure washing. The porch looks so much better. Like, it actually looks like wood again. It was so dark and like had so much mold and crap on it. It was so disgusting. Gotta clean up out here, but we are cleaned on the back side. I can't wait to paint this trailer. Like, it's gonna look so good when we're done. Tommy tackled this porch. It looks so much better. We've also been, when we moved in December, like, all of this was just what came out of the trailer. We just hauled everything out here and put it in this driveway. This is being going through. We're burning all of that. All that's over there is cleaned up. Hi, darling. Was you gonna try to scare the fuck out of me again? Did you already shower? Well, what do you think?
It's fucking awesome.
Looks so much better.
Holy shit! I didn't know that it was gonna make this better. Like that.
It looks way better. The front porch was black. Like it, y'all. It was black, honey. Yeah, once it dries, I want to sweep it one more good time, and then I'll put everything back.
Honestly, like tomorrow, we could go over it one more good time. Whenever.
But it looks so good. The roof is gonna have to be redone, but
Yeah, the roof for sure.
we're probably gonna just honestly like taking the whole thing off and redoing the entire porch brand new. So we're gonna get rid of this tree because it's rotted. But yeah, we're getting there. So we got the curtains up, blinds, just painted this wall. Gonna finish this, give what touch-ups we can on what walls we need to, and then yep, let's go take a rip. All right, so our electricity is currently out. We had a tornado warning last night. It was a really bad storm. So we have no electricity right now. However, we've been medicating and just doing stuff. All right, guys, so I need you to be proud of me because I just changed that outlet It has been literally just wire sticking out of the wall since we moved here. Did it again. Hopefully, hopefully when the power comes on, it will prove me right, and I did it good. So we'll see. All right, so the power just came on. Yes. All right, this one is working. I have not tested this one yet, so I'll let you know if this one works. It does. It works. So I am cutting out my cabinet for my dishwasher. I've never done this before. I've watched a YouTube video. I'm confident, but like, okay, so here's what we're working with. So this is the front of the dishwasher, okay? This is the front. This is what's going to be, you know. So the thing is, I have to come out from the wall here because this piece right here has to stay, okay, for support. So I have to bring it from here, and my problem is the door is here. So what I'm gonna have to do is cut this middle piece out when I cut this out, and then replace this piece, this board, in like right here, somewhere like right here. I'm gonna have to remeasure it, and I'm gonna have to cut this door to make it a little bit shorter on this side to kind of fit, so I can fit my dishwasher. So if I frig it up, we're all gonna see it. So here we go. All right, so I got the doors off, got everything cleared out there. I really honestly wanted to put the dishwasher on this side. However, there's just not enough room. And we have big pipes in there, so I guess it's like drain pipes and stuff, I don't know. But over here, it's just more room. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock out this without sawing it, because I need to like keep that support bracket right there like that. So I'm gonna try to do that. Motherfucker. Yeah, I got it. No damage. Alright, so I'm trying to line up the dishwasher to where I need to cut. So I do need to cut up here because look, it's gonna touch the water, I guess that's water, I don't know, whatever this is. But you see, it's just gonna hit there. So I gotta cut this out. So I think I'm gonna mark it. And it needs to be cut right. All right, so it needs to be cut right. We'll cut it right at 20. We'll cut it at 23. And just pray. if it's not, then we can cut more. I don't want to cut too much because I can't put it back, you know. Alright. Never used one of these before, and it's kind of scaring me. Anxiety. Be a man, Billy. Billy man. That's not terrible. That's not terrible. I can do that. Let's do the bottom first. Oh. Alright, so the dishwasher is in. I have my uncle's help. I just sucked at it. I couldn't do it. So that's it. It's not hooked up. I just wanted it in there for right now. That way it's out of the way. So it's in its forever home until we hook it up. Trying to cook a brisket, by the way, and it said it was in an oven safe pan. It lied. If you ever get these meals from Walmart, the brisket meals, these aren't oven safe. Just saying no. There have been a few people in the comments saying like they want to see us do the repairs and stuff, and the videos that I had already recorded from like winter is what it is. But moving forward, we will definitely do that. But I was just letting you guys know, that way y'all don't think I'm ignoring you or whatever. But here is the update so far. All right. So everything's white and clean, and yes. Kitchen. It's pretty basic, I mean, you know, but it's cozy for now. I haven't done dishes yet, leave me alone. I have a dishwasher, I just can't use it. Alright, let's move into the living room. Alright, this room's just kind of like a storage room, closet in a way. Laundry room, you know. Did the bathroom, did peel and stick, painted. This sink isn't even hooked up. We'll end up taking that sink out completely and just having one sink in here and then more storage hopefully, but yes. Alright guys, that is it for this video. The next video is gonna be, I don't know, just a little bit of everything, maybe some cooking, some weed vlogging. I don't know. We'll see. But let me know what you guys prefer to see or want to see. Yeah, I have nothing but time. So I really do want to paint this porch next. Like I want to paint it like a rich oak. I don't know. We'll see. But it's definitely getting painted soon. Say goodbye, Duke. Duke. Say see you later. Bye.